Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you back to the next episode of The Power of Property with Nuno Brizido, your go-to source of all things real estate in South Africa. So in today's episode, the topic that we're going to be covering is something that affects many aspiring homeowners: bad credit scores. So a bad credit score can make it very difficult to secure home financing. So in this video, we're going to look at how bad credit score will affect you buying a home and how to improve it and ultimately buying your dream home. So let's start with the basics. What is credit score? A credit score is a number that indicates and determines your credit worthiness based on your credit history. So it sort of indicates to your lenders, are you responsible in paying off your loans and your debts? And if so, you'll obviously it sort of puts you on a scale of how good you are. Are you poor? Are you good? And are you excellent? And if you're excellent, they're obviously going to want to give you the finance. But if you have bad credit scores, they're going to think twice. And even if you are approved, it will be at a much higher interest rate. So at the end of the day, you're going to be paying more for that loan within that time period. So super important, get your bad credit score and turn it to good. So what can you do to improve your credit score? The first step is to understand why your credit score is low. And it could be due to late payments, defaults, as well as high levels of debt. So we're going to look at some tips to help increase your credit score. Number one, pay your bills on time. This is the most important one in determining your credit score. So set up automatic payments and set reminders to make sure you pay your bills on time. Okay, number two, reduce your debt. Having a high level of debt can lower your credit score. So it is important to start paying down your debt and start with the highest level of interest first. Number three, check your credit report. Mistakes can really hurt your credit score. So make sure you look at them regularly, and if there are any errors, dispute them and fix it so that you aren't affected when you are applying for credit. Number four, don't apply for new credit. Every time you apply for new credit, it shows up on your credit report. So too many inquiries and too much credit will definitely lower your credit score. Once you have taken steps to help improve your credit score, it is now time to start searching for the perfect house. So I'm going to give you some tips to help navigate through the process. Number one, save up for a deposit. Because the less you ask the bank or a lender, the higher the chance that they will approve you, because you are seen as less of a risk. So save up for a deposit. It will just increase your chances, and you can negotiate a better interest rate because it's less of a risk to them. Number two, choose a reputable lender. It is very important to get multiple offers from the banks and then decide who is giving you the best interest rate. Can you improve on the interest rate that they're giving you? Because that ultimately will be your monthly repayment. So it's super important to obviously negotiate on the right price when buying the house, because if you are a good client and have a good credit score, you must fight for good interest rates. In conclusion, a bad credit score does not have to stand in the way of you and buying your dream home. Take steps to improve your credit score and make sure that you work hard and that you are dedicated to help improve that score. And before you know it, you'll be making your dreams become a reality and you'll own the home and the roof over your heads. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that I can give you the power going forward. Have a good day, and I'll see you at the next episode. Cheers.